Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this breezy summer shawl. So let's get started.
Please share the links to my videos on your social media sites and please subscribe.
I'm working with Red Heart Comfort Yarn, same as Red Heart Super Saver, and a 6.5mm crochet hook. And this shawl works top down. You start with a foundation chain and you do one row of an open grid, and then we have rows of loops. I have 8 rows of loops. You could make as many rows as you like. And then along the bottom I have 3 rows of shells. Again, you can make as many rows as you like. And here are the number of chains that you will need to work for each size. Okay, after your foundation chain is the correct length, to make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert the hook through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. Double crochet in the 5th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that takes the place of the first double crochet and a chain 1 space and the next double crochet. And now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to skip 2 stitches and I'm going to double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 2, double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 2, double crochet in the next. You're going to work that way all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked across the row, and now we begin the rows of loops. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to skip the next chain 1 space, and I'm going to make a single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the next chain 1 space, single crochet in the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip, single crochet. And that will be a row of loops. And now to make the next row, I'll turn my work and I'll chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Single crochet in the next loop. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And single crochet in the next loop. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row. And single crochet. And that's how that will look. And here's my finished shawl. And you can see that that's how that's beginning to look. I did a total of 8 rows of loops. You can do as many as you like. Now I'll show you how to do this bottom edge. In each one of these loops, I'm going to make 2 triple crochet V-stitches. To make a triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times. Insert the hook through the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, and pick up the yarn, pull it through the last 2 stitches. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that takes the place of the first triple crochet and a chain 1 space. So I'm going to make another triple crochet, and that's my first V-stitch, and then I'm going to make another triple crochet V-stitch in the same loop. So triple crochet, chain 1, and triple crochet. Okay, so in each loop, 2 triple crochet V-stitches. So I'll go right to the next loop, triple, chain 1, triple. And then again, triple, chain 1, and triple. Okay, so 2 triple crochet V-stitches in each loop across the row. And I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch right up to the space between these two V-stitches. Slip stitch right into that space between the V-stitches, and I'm going to make 2 V-stitches in that space. 2, 3, 4, chain 4, triple crochet, and then make another V-stitch in the same space. So triple crochet, chain 1, and triple crochet. Okay, so in the space between the 2 V-stitches, you're going to make 2 V-stitches. So you'll make 2 V-stitches here in the space between these 2 V-stitches, and then you'll go over to the next 2 and you'll make 2 triple crochet V-stitches here in this space. And that's what that will look like. You'll have 2 V-stitches in the space between the 2 V-stitches of the previous row. So in this next space, make 2 V-stitches, triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet, and then another one, triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. And that centers these right over the ones from the previous row. I'm going to go ahead and finish this row. Okay, I went ahead and finished that row, and now I'm going to show you how to do this final row along the bottom. So I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to slip stitch till I get here in the space between the V-stitches, and slip stitch into that space. Now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, takes the place of the triple crochet in the chain 1, make another triple crochet, like that. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make another V-stitch in the same space. So triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. Okay, and that's what that will look like. So you'll have 3 rows of triple crochet V-stitches lined up in this center space. So I'm going to repeat that across the row. I'm going to go to the space between the V-stitches, chain 1, triple crochet, and I'm going to do this, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make another V-stitch in the same space. Like that, and you'll do that all the way across the row, and there's what that will look like. There's your chain 5 spaces, and that will give you this little scallopy bottom. So there you go. There's another easy summer shawl that you can make. And you can use this as a shawl, you can use it as a scarf, you can use it as a beach cover-up. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.